This video is going to show you very quickly how to get to and enter a work order. So from the GPIC homepage, we're going to go to Staff, and then down here in the bottom right corner it says Zendesk Workorder System, and then you're going to use your district username and password here. Now my screen is going to look a little bit different than your screen because I have different settings, but there should be a button somewhere around here that says submit a ticket. You're going to click submit a ticket. Now for me, I got to go a little bit differently. I got to go to support. And also you're going to have a lot less settings here. So for me, I'm going to add here. So now I'm going to add a ticket. So this is kind of what yours is going to look like. So you're not going to have any of this stuff, but you need to add, make sure that you tell them what is the problem, not connecting to Wi-Fi. And then in the notes section, you want to make sure to be as detailed as possible. If you've tried anything that hasn't worked, you want to put it into here, and then you're going to submit the ticket. It might ask you for your room number, your campus, like all that for me is on this side. I do have a category option. Notice the category for Edugents, Eduphoria, Google, iPads, iPad app request is here, network, phones and voicemail. So be sure to make sure that you are looking at all of the categories to make sure that you are getting exactly to the right place. Now, this is for teachers. If you have a student in the district that is not able to use their iPad, then you need to go through the tech help page for the student support. You can enter a work order here. It's just they all going to end up in the same queue anyway. But if you go to the gpisd.org website, we're going to go to parents and students this time. Then down here where it says technology help. Okay, first of all, we have all of these videos here all ready for you guys to use as far as connecting to Wi-Fi, Content Keeper, updating iPads, how to log into Sora, navigating Sora. All of these are videos here already for you to use. But then also, also here on the left, we have teacher staff resources, and we also have the student parent tech support. And this is the information that I've sent out to you multiple times for students who need need help with issues with their iPad. So I hope this has been helpful. Thank you so much for watching.